Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to show you how Dutch auctions work on vision.io. If you've ever sniped an ENS name during premium period, you'll feel right at home. It's basically the same concept, just way cooler. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what a Dutch auction is. It's simply an auction where the price starts high and gradually decreases over time until someone buys it. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, let me show you where to find these auctions. First stop, hit up the Market/Auctions section. This is your command center for all active auctions. You'll see a nice list of names up for grabs, with countdown timers here on the right showing how long you've got to make your move. Now, here's the important part. When you decide to buy, there's a 30-second commitment period. Think of it as a quick coffee break that prevents those pesky front runners from stealing your prize. It's like a little safety net for buyers. Pro tip, you can spot active auctions in multiple places. Let me show you exactly where to look. Right on the name page if it's currently an auction. Here you can't miss it, right here with all the details you need, and the second spot, on Vision Profiles. For example, check out my profile page and switch to the Auctions tab. Look at that sweet Totoro.eth subname in my auctions. If only this wasn't testnet, would have been a flex and a half. Aww. Don't forget, timing is everything in Dutch auctions. If you're too early, you might overpay. If you're too late, someone else might snag your name. But hey, that's part of the fun, right? And that's all, folks. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Catch you in the next one.